Hey, Mighty Mike here, and today I'm going to give you a quick rundown of California's process server laws. If you're working in the field or just curious, this is going to help you understand exactly what's required to serve legal papers in California. First off, in California, process servers don't need to be licensed. Instead, they need to be registered and bonded. If you're serving more than 10 papers a year, you must register in the county where you live or where your business is based. This registration is good statewide, but you have to be a California resident for at least 1 year before applying. There's no test or education requirement, but you do have to post a $2,000 bond or cash deposit. This requirement can be found in California Business and Professions Code, sections 22,350 and 22,353. One quick exception: licensed private investigators don't have to register as process servers, but they might need to if they're handling documents like bank levies. Now let's talk about service of process itself. California law allows anyone who is at least 18 and not a party to the case to serve a summons. You can find this in section 414.10 of the California Code of Civil Procedure. There are different ways you can serve papers depending on the situation. First, you've got personal service. This is where you hand the papers directly to the person. According to section 415.10, service is considered complete the moment you deliver the documents. If personal service isn't possible, you can leave the papers at their home, office, or usual mailing address with someone who is at least 18 years old. After that, you mail a copy to the same address. This method is covered in section 415.20 and is considered complete 10 days after the mailing. For businesses, section 416.10 says you can serve a corporation by delivering the papers to a designated agent or certain corporate officers like the president or vice president. You can also serve papers by mail using first class mail with a notice and acknowledgement form. If the defendant doesn't return the form within 20 days, they may be responsible for the costs of serving them another way. This is outlined in section 415.30. California also has specific rules for serving someone outside the state or even outside the country. If you're serving someone in another state, you can send the summons by first class mail with return receipt requested, and service is considered complete on the 10th day after mailing. That's in section 415.40. Oh, and one more thing. If you're serving papers in a gated community, don't worry. California law says you have the right to enter for a reasonable amount of time to complete your service as long as you show proper ID and your registration as a process server. Check out section 415.21 for more details on that. Finally, after you serve the papers, you need to complete a proof of service form. It's crucial that you document the time, place, and manner of service, as well as the name and capacity of the person who received the papers. This is all spelled out in section 417.10. In California, process servers are protected from assault, just like any other individual. However, there are specific laws and protections that can apply when someone interferes with a process server performing their duties. First up, California Penal Code Section 241 and Section 243 provide special protections for us. If someone assaults or commits battery while we're doing our job, they face enhanced penalties. Penal Code Section 241B says assault on a process server is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 6 months in jail and a fine. Penal Code Section 243B deals with battery and can land someone up to a year in jail, depending on how serious the offense is. Then, there's Penal Code Section 14801, which covers obstruction of justice. If someone willfully resists, delays, or obstructs a process server, they can be charged under this law, typically a misdemeanor with fines or jail time. And there you have it, everything you need to know about California's process server laws in a nutshell. If you're looking to get registered or want more details, make sure to check out the official California Judiciary and Courts website for updates, because these laws can change. If you're looking to become a process server or need more info, check out the Become a Process Server page at mightyprocessserver.com for all the guidance you need. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay professional, and as always, stay mighty.